everyone, I'm Kitty. Here is Hans, professional Swiss type CNC lathe. When I saw the machine of the workshop, I saw the master doing repeated positioning tests. This step is very key for the machine, mainly to ensure the accuracy of the code and hold machine. The quality of the machine is related to the accuracy inspection. Only when we pass the inspection can we carry out the next operation. We are responsible for ourselves and the customers' precision inspection to meet the corresponding requirements. The production of products will be customer satisfied. Every step of the Swiss lathe machine is crucial. Accuracy, rigidity, stability is indispensable.